Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channels. Continuing our problem solving series in polynomials. Here I came up with 47th question written on the screen, which is of form if what is given to us, if f of x is equal to 1 divided by cube root of x square plus 2x plus 1 plus cube root of x square minus 1 plus cube root of x square minus 2x plus 1. For all positive integers x, find value of f of 1 plus f of 3 plus f of 5 goes on up to f of 997 plus f of 999. So guys, to solve such type of question, we'll be going to make use of a cube minus b cube, because I can see something a square plus ab plus b square sort of thing written over here. How it is written like that, you might be wondering. Let me show it to you. F of x, what do we know? 1 divided by, guys, we know that x square plus 2x plus 1 is x plus 1 the whole square will be, that means cube root of x plus 1 the whole square is written over here, plus cube root of x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1 is written over here, plus cube root of x minus 1 the whole square is written over here. So to proceed further, we'll be going to do what? Cube root of x plus 1, I'll be assuming it as a over here, and cube root of x minus 1, I'll be assuming it as b over here. So in denominator, what we can see, f of x is equal to 1 divided by a square plus ab plus b square is written. So let's multiply it with a minus b and divide it with a minus b. So in numerator and denominator, I wrote a minus b over here. So what will be the value of a minus b? We can see, guys, numerator will be like this: cube root of x plus 1 minus cube root of x minus 1. Denominator will be becoming a cube minus b cube, because a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square, it's an identity, a cube minus b cube. So proceeding further, we'll be going to write it like cube root of x plus 1 minus cube root of x minus 1 whole divided by x plus 1 minus x minus 1. That is 1 by 2 times of cube root of x plus 1 minus cube root of x minus 1 it will be. This is f of x we are knowing, okay. Now what did they ask? F of 1 plus f of 3 plus f of 5. F of 1 plus f of 3 plus f of 5 plus f of 7 goes on up to f of 997 plus f of 999. Now proceeding further, we'll be going to write like f of 1 will be becoming 1 by 2 times of cube root of 2 minus cube root of 0. Then cube root of f of 3 will be becoming 4 minus cube root of 2. Then f of 5 will be becoming cube root of 6 minus cube root of 4. Then f of 7 will be becoming cube root of 8 minus cube root of 6. Then f of 997 will be becoming cube root of 998 minus cube root of 996. Then f of 999 will be becoming cube root of 1000 minus cube root of 999. So guys, to solve such type of question, we have 1 by 2 in front of it together. It is written over here, 1 by 2 in front of it. Let's see what all things are getting simplified over here, what all things are getting cancelled over here. So I could easily see, we can see over here is diagonally things would be going to get cancelled like this. Here it is 998, okay, that is 999 minus 1. So finally you will be remaining up with 1 by 2 times of cube root of 1000, that is 1 by 2 times of 10. So 5 will be the final answer for this question. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, my dear students.